Hello everyone. So this is Doctor of Literature, and in this video we are going to do a figure of speech, that is simile. तो simile को हिंदी में उपमा बोलते हैं और figure of speech अलंकार होता है. तो let us see the definition of simile. The term is derived from a Latin word similus or Greek word similus, which means a likeness, similarity on behalf of any common quality. So this was the definition of simile. So let us look some examples. So here it is written that he looks like a hero. This is an example of simile. And he is so dangerous as a lion. So there are something to identify simile as he looks like a hero, the like word. He is so dangerous as a lion. So these as so and as two words, it denotes that the sentence is comprised of similes. So let us go to next slide. अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो दो असमान वस्तुओं के बीच किसी गुण के आधार पर समरूपता दिखाना, मतलब किसी दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करना और उनके बीच सिमिलैरिटी को शो करना, उसे हम सिमिली बोलते हैं. कुछ शब्द कॉमन होते हैं इनके सेंटेंसेस में, जैसे एज, लाइक, सो. सिमिली basically is divided into four categories. So what are these four? Simple simile, compound simile, epic simile, developed simile. So let us see one by one every category. So the first one is simple simile, to show any common similarity between two just opposite objects. So as, like, so, these words are used. Example, to sleep like a lion. The example is for a human who sleeps like a lion. So let us see next one, the compound simile. It is similarity between two opposite objects on behalf of virtue, and it is always used in positive sense. So let us see the example. He is as good as gold. So here the character is defining, so virtue comes here and a positive sense is coming out. Here we are praising anyone by saying that you are as good as gold. Let us see the next one, the epic simile, used in epic or epical poems. Example, oh, lift me as a wave. This may be an example of any epical poem. Let us see the last one, the developed simile. This is same as epic simile. An invitation of word is descriptive manner. So example is like young Bhim, tall and large and straight. So this could be taken from Mahabharata. So here the word like young Bhim, and imitation of words and descriptive manners come here, like tall, large and straight. So this was all about simile. I hope you like the video. Do not miss to subscribe and press the bell icon of this channel to get update and to get next figure of speech and to learn more. Thank you everyone.